Once again, the famous New York skyline is the background for a sensational air tragedy. In the distance is the 71-story Bank of Manhattan building into which an Army plane plunged to disaster as reconstructed in this diagram. Cameramen were on the spot within minutes of the crash, which occurred after most of the office workers had gone home. Scattered wreckage gives some idea of the terrible force with which the aircraft hit the 58th floor, carrying to their deaths its 5 occupants, including a woman officer. And here, by day, is the scene of the impact, a gaping hole torn in the thick masonry by the exploding plane. Fortunately, Wall Street was almost deserted at the time, or many more casualties would have been caused by falling wreckage. Already, high above the city, repairs are started, while the authorities take drastic measures to ensure that never again will sudden death come from the air among the towering pinnacles of New York.